here topic is the Belmont Report. The Belmont Report is a 1978 report created by the National Commission for the Protection of Human Subject of Biomedical and Behavioral Research. Its full title is the Belmont Report, Ethical Principle and Guideline for the Protection of Human Subject of Research report of the National Commission of the Protection of Human Subject of Biomedical and Behavioral Research. The Belmont Report summarizes ethical principle and guideline for human subject research. Three core principles are identified: respect for person, beneficence, and justice. The three primary area of application were stated as informed consent, assessment of risk and benefit, and selection of human subject in research. It was named the Belmont Report for the Belmont Conference Center, where the National Commission met when first drafting the report. According to Vollmer and Howard, the Belmont Report allows for positive solution which at times may be difficult to find to future subjects who are not capable to make independent decisions. The Belmont Report took its name from the Belmont Conference Center in Ellerslie, Maryland, 10 miles south of Baltimore, where the document was drafted in part. The Belmont Conference Center, once a part of the Smithsonian Institution, was operated by Howard Community College until the end of 2010. History. In 1974, promoted in part of the ethical problem emerging from the Tuskegee syphilis study. The National Research Act was signed into law. This created the National Commission for the Protection of Human Subject of Biomedical and Behavioral Research. It consists of altogether 11 physicians, lawyers, and scientists. 8 of them were men and 3 women, namely Neith, John, Ryan, Joseph V. Brady, Robert E. Cook, Dorothy I. Height, Albert R. Johnson, Patricia King, Karen Lebexa, David Lossell. It was divided into a series of work groups. Several groups work on issue of anatomy, other work on issue of beneficence or non-maleficence or justice. The Commission wrote the Belmont Report after an intensive 4-day period of discussion in February 1976. On September 30, 1978, the Commission report Ethical Principles and Guidelines for the Protection of Human Subject of Research was released and published in the Federal Registration on April 18, 1979. The Department of Health, Education and Welfare revised and expanded its regulation for the protection of human subject 40 CFR Part 46 in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Ethical Principle. Belmont Report explained the unifying ethical principle for studying, for using any human subject for research which have formed the basic for the National Commission topic specific report and regulation. The Belmont Report allows for the protection of participants in clinical trial and research studies. Even things nurses as primary caregiver for individual participating in a study must do to ensure the right of the participant are met. The Belmont Report both serves as a historical document and provides the moral framework for understanding regulation in the United States on the use of human in experimental method. Thank you.